Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 18-foot by 48-inch metal frame pool set with filter and pump, 2-pack. Beat the heat and make a splash in this Intex 18-foot by 48-inch metal frame above-ground pool set with filter and pump, 2-pack. The pool set includes an Intex 1500 GPH filter pump, filter cartridge, ladder, pool cover, ground cloth, and instructional DVD to help you get started. Product benefits: easy to assemble, ready for water in just 60 minutes. Provides both value and convenience for years of family enjoyment. Super tough, high molecular PVC walls are highly resistant to damage from abrasion, impact, and sunlight. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.